Now that we've talked about electronic and mechanical components, it's time to add packaging and accessories that every product needs before being finalized and ready to ship. Let's get started. On the Packaging and Accessories tab, you can add a packaging item one of two different ways. The first way is through this gray Add button. Here, you can add packaging item information manually, one by one. This can get a bit tedious though, so Product Hubb has a solution. If you already have a packaging and accessories bill of materials, you're able to import it effortlessly onto Product Hubb as an Excel or CSV file. Let me show you how that works. Simply hit the blue Import Excel button, and from there you'll be prompted to navigate through your own files. Pick the right one. Here I have a packaging bill of materials. From there, information is pulled from your Excel or CSV file, and the description, manufacturer part number, and unit price are all displayed for you on the packaging items list. In addition to that, Product Hubb automatically generates internal use part numbers. This is incredibly useful when you're buying the same item from multiple different vendors. In addition to that, you can always add more packaging items and edit old packaging items. Let me show you how the editing feature works. Let's say I want to add information for any one of my packaging items. I'm able to tap this gray pencil button to edit. Now I'm able to add important information like a photo, a file, or vendor notes. The example that I'll show today is showing off a photo upload for each one of these packaging items. So let's get started. I'll simply choose a file, and my first item will be my box, so I'll have a picture of the box. And then I simply hit the save button, and we're good to go. I can go ahead and do that for the other items as well. Choose a file, and then this is going to be for a USB cable. And the benefit of these images is my assembler is going to be able to see what's what and what goes where. Save button, and we're good to go. Last but not least, the recovery card, an incredibly important part of any cryptocurrency wallet design. Hit the save button, and we're good to go. This has been Packaging and Accessories. Remember, you can always go back and add new packaging items and edit previous packaging items. Next, we're going to be looking at how to create organized, high-quality assembly instructions. Thank you so much for checking out our demo of the Product Hubb platform. If you like what you saw, make sure to check out our other blogs on all the other different features that Product Hubb has. Make sure to follow us on social media. All the links are in the description below. If you have any questions, make sure to leave a comment. And remember, Product Hubb makes manufacturing easy.